Hi friends! Easter is round the corner, so I thought of making Easter bunnies with plastic bottles. Isn't that a cool idea? Okay, so now we are going to know what we need for this. First, here we have orange paint and some glue. You can use any paints you want. I took orange because it is a pretty color. Then I have pink and black sketch pens. Then I have a sponge or a flat brush. If you do painting with a sponge, it gives you a finer effect than brushes. And I also have a candy stick to apply glue. Then some decorative materials like a bow or ribbon and googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can also use the black sketch pen. If you are under 10, you should do this craft under adult supervision. Right now I am giving this bottle to my mother so that she can cut it. Okay, so this is the ready cut bottle. It has got bunny ears. So now the first thing we are going to do is painting. Let's start. You should always dab the sponge while you are doing sponge painting. Never forget to fill the gaps in between. Now I am going to fill the spaces in between. You can also use a brush for this. Okay, now I am going to paint the ears. time for the second one. Now I am going to set this for drying. Okay, so here I have a ready bunny. It looks so adorable. And I have also used googly eyes over here. They are so cute. In this bunny I am using a ribbon, but you can also use washi tape like this. It looks really attractive. Tell me in the comments down below what ideas you have for Easter. I hope you liked how I made this bunny. It is super easy and it is also extremely cute. You can put chocolates, candies and cookies inside this. You can also use this bunny as a pencil stand. You can gift this to your close friends. It is a super duper easy craft. And if you don't have these googly eyes, you can use a marker pen. Okay, so now I am going to stick the googly eyes on this. It has dried up now. I'm going to paste the googly eyes. I have got this candy stick with which I am going to apply the glue to the eyes. Okay, now I am going to put the second eye. Don't these look cute? Okay, so now I am going to tie the ribbon on the head. You can make the knot however you want. Now we will stick the bow in front of the ear. This is perfect right here. Look at this. I have these sketch pens and now I am going to make the nose and teeth with it. Okay, so let's do it. Doesn't this look very cute? It's so adorable. And it is also super easy to make. It's so cute. Look, these are two sisters bunnies. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button if you liked how I made it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And also stay tuned because I am making one more video of Easter eggs. Bye bye. Thank you.